To our quick guide on buying a car in Germany for export. Finding your desired car online or offline. The first step is to search for a car online in Germany from your location. If you are already in the country, check local auto dealers. Check and test drive the car. Once you find the vehicle you want, check the condition, features, and test drive. Making payment, negotiate vehicle prices, and control the car purchase contract before payment. Collect vehicle documents, including contracts. They are crucial for car export. Remember to sign it. Only a signed contract is a valid contract. Are you looking to transport your car within Germany? The cost will depend on factors such as the type of vehicle, its condition, and the distance traveled. Generally, the price ranges from €1.20 to €2 per kilometer. Take your car to the shipping agency. The car export process starts here. Give vehicle documents, only copies, to the agency. The shipping agent can only book your car for export with the details on the papers. Sign a contract with the agency. Be sure you sign an agreement with the agent showing the handover of your vehicle for shipment to them. Give the agent details for shipment. The agent needs the details to know the consignee of the consignment and the destination of the export. Customs clearance service. Look for a customs clearance agent in the destination country. Note: time to get your bill of lading, between 1 to 3 weeks. Ask the shipper for the bill of lading. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video, Understanding the Car Buying Process. Please subscribe and click the notification bell to receive alerts when I upload my next video.